a water catch. Got Hornady Black. Found in 300 Blackout. This might be a game changer. It's flying out at 2370. Looks like 2375 feet per second, somewhere in there. It's showing up at 3.2, at 100, 0 at 2, and only down by under 14 at 300 yards. So that's could be a switch right there. That's, you know, it's zeroed out at 300 yards or 200. So what we're gonna do is just a water catch and see if this is doing like the rest of them, blowing up. This is at about 50 yards. Alright, there we are, and there you go. Totally obliterated. First one is actually put it back together. There's your hole. We got into the second one. Yep, got some copper. Going good. Wow, it actually flattened up nicely. That is a good solid wound, and that is cool. 2 jugs, that was it. Didn't even come out, and that opened up nicely right there. So that is what I'm like to see. Like I said, it might be a game changer. There you go. He said, opened up really nice. Only 2 jugs. That is Hornady Black and 300 Blackout. Before thinking 100, 150 yard max. Now you should be able to do a solid 200 yard, a little over 200 yard shot with it. Good deal. That flattened out nice.